How to use PaySafeCard. It is much like your credit card. It is a prepaid online safeguard. So what you can do is here you can have the option of buying and spending. Now for that you have to sign up first and foremost. Now let's explore buy here. By just tapping on Find Sales Outlet, it will display a list of sales outlet that you can go and purchase. If you tap on the Spend tab right here it will say where you can spend your money in your PaySafe card and where it will be accepted. Now if I just tap on where I can spend it, here you will be able to find a list of online shop that will allow you to use your PaySafe card. Now for an example here, let me show you how you can use it. Now for an example, you want to purchase something in your Steam. So this is the payment method in Steam right here. You'll be able to find the option of prepaid wallet. The name for your PaySafe card will vary according to your location, but it is as simple as using your own credit card. So make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.